This is the last step for NOAA's jet flushing system. Once our prevention vents have been installed, we insert 150 foot of flexible pressure hose, which will power wash virtually all the remaining plugged weeping tile buried 8 foot deep without further digging. Wet basements are like heart attacks, which are caused by plugged arteries. With NOAA's jet flushing system, we power wash your plugged weeping tile, clean and free draining. This is the world's most advanced waterproofing technology. Compared to incumbent competition, we are more advanced than the largest, more advanced than the oldest, more advanced than the paid-for consumer award winners, more advanced than the largest internet advertisers, more advanced than using subcontractors. The world's most advanced waterproofing technology uses modern technology to displace marketing the huge expense of labor. Power washing by way of our jet flushing technology saves you thousands of dollars. NOAA's jet flushing system is the world's most advanced waterproofing technology. Call them, then call us, NOAHS, at 647-932-3635. NOAHS corrects the cause of plugged weeping tile without squandering money on unnecessary expensive digging for years to come. And if weeping tile become plugged again, you can easily be jet flushed in the future. Used for over 7 years and 100% successful, we're the world's most advanced waterproofing technology, disrupting the complete waterproofing industry.